My name is Akansha. Today's date is 8th October 2022. I am 14. Currently, I have 23 subscribers and 11 videos. A year from now. Don't get so stressed because of your problems, because your problems will always get bigger, and the problems that you have right now are not that major, even though you feel like it, but they're not that major. So don't take so much stress because of those. An artist, I don't really have an artist who inspires me, because whenever I follow an artist or I like their work, I don't really go into their history or how they became what they became. So there's not really anyone who inspires me. Oh, the biggest thing to happen this year was that I got a part-time job, which is my first part-time job, and it's a tutor, and I tutor a kid in 4th standard. So I think that's the biggest thing to happen in my life this year. Oh, very often, because we live together. So, we do talk very often, and yes, there are some days where we don't really interact a lot, but usually every day we do talk. Ooh, I have a lot of favorites. In Hollywood, it will be Fight Club. Yeah, Fight Club is a Hollywood favorite, and in Bollywood, बहुत सारे हैं. अभी एक्चुअली नेटफ्लिक्स आया है मेरे घर पे, सो आई हैव बीन वॉचिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टीवी शोज एंड मूवीज़. सो अंदाज़ अपना अपना फ्रॉम लाइक ओल्ड टाइम बॉलीवुड, ऑफ कोर्स छुप छुप के ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. क्वीन, I also love that movie. The Lunchbox, these movies are like my favorite. Favorite anime would be Mirai Nikki or Another. My favorite TV show, okay, animated would be BoJack Horseman or Rick and Morty, and like actual show with real life people would be The IT Crowd, a classic, The Office, Sherlock. Yeah, I think right now these are the ones that come to mind. जैसे आपको पता चल रहा होगा, मूवीज़ और टीवी शोज़ में भी मैं फेवरेट नहीं पिक कर सकती, बहुत मुश्किल है मेरे लिए. लेकिन ये वो ऐसे हैं जो मैं कभी भी कितनी भी बार वापस देख सकती हूँ, मतलब मैं बिंज वॉच कर सकती हूँ इनको, मैं नहीं थकूँगी. फेवरेट बुक, ओ माई गॉड, सच अ डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन. So there are these big book boxes which my brother had bought like a 3-month subscription of, and I obviously read those books. So there were 2 books in each box, so in total I read 6 books, and each one of those books is a favorite of mine. But I'd say at my top will be from those boxes would be Lonely Castle in the Mirror, Once Upon a Broken Heart, Iron Widow. Oh my god, wow, yes, Iron Widow, so good. Oh, and For Your Own Good, yeah. So these are like my favorite from that box, but other than that, there are a lot of, so I actually own a lot of Murakami books because of my brother, but I have only read some of them, and I honestly, all of the ones which I have read, which is Men Without Women, Desire, After Dark, and currently reading Wild Sheep Chase, all of these are my favorite, and I feel like every Murakami book that I read will be my favorite. There's also Agatha Christie's And Then There Were None, which I have reread. It's so good. Mitch Albom's books, 5 People You Meet in Heaven is the one which I really like, and Wonder, I feel, yeah. These are some of my favorite books. As I said, I just almost every book I read is so good. I don't know how to decide between my favorites, and I can watch them like every month and I will not get bored. Yes, of course, pressure तो सभी feel करते हैं, मेरे लिए तो पढ़ाई का प्रेशर ही है अभी, क्योंकि पढ़ाई मेरी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा मेजर पार्ट है, तो अभी तो पढ़ाई का ही प्रेशर है. और मतलब हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत वो पार्ट टाइम जॉब का भी है कि वो बच्चे अच्छा परफॉर्म करनी चाहिए और वो सब, बट ज़्यादातर तो स्कूल का ही प्रेशर है. और अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझ पर प्रेशर नहीं डाल रहे तो मैं खुद पे ही एक प्रेशर डाल के रखती हूँ कि मुझे अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है, अच्छा स्कोर करना है. No, I am not handling that pressure well. It is very destructive the way I handle stress, and I have been trying to work on that actually. I have been trying to work on that. So I found this book, it's DBT, Dialectical Behavior Therapy, which is basically how to handle stress. और जैसे बाकी की जो सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स होती हैं वो एक्सपीरियंस पे बेस्ड होती हैं, लेकिन ये वाली बुक ना मतलब साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्ट्स और साइकेट्रिक मतलब हैक्स पे वो है बेस्ड. और ये एक प्रोफेशनली रिटन बुक है, और किसी को भी जिसको स्ट्रेस होता है और वो अच्छे से हैंडल नहीं कर पाते, ये उनके लिए बहुत अच्छी है. तो मैंने वो स्टार्ट की थी, लेकिन मैंने वो बीच में ही छोड़ दी. तो मुझे अब वो कंटिन्यू भी करनी है, और वो अभी मेरा एक ऐसा गोल है कि मुझे वो कंटिन्यू करनी है. आई डोंट रियली हैव एनी रिग्रेट्स नाउ. लाइक if I look back at my life, I don't think I have any regrets, and I'm very happy to say that obviously. But I feel like maybe when I grow up and in the future, I look back at this time and think that I actually had regrets, but I couldn't see them. शायद मैं इतनी immature हूँ कि मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी मेरे को ये regrets नहीं है, लेकिन currently तो मैं नहीं बोलना चाहूँगी, नहीं मेरी कोई regrets नहीं है. Oh, the biggest thing I've learned. बोजैक हॉर्समैन का एक कोट है कि टाइम्स एरो नेवर स्टे स्टिल, इट मियरली मार्चेस फॉरवर्ड. आई थिंक वो बात मैंने लर्न की है कि मेरी हर प्रॉब्लम कैसे अपने आप ही पास बाय हो रही है, स्ट्रेस अपने आप ही मतलब मैं गो थ्रू कर पा रही हूँ उससे, और इतनी बड़ी डील नहीं है वो. तो शायद यही है सबसे बड़ी बात, और यही है कि मतलब एवरीथिंग कम्स टू एन एंड, यू नो, देयर इज़ अ टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड ऑल एक्सपीरियंसेस मस्ट एंड. तो मुझे लगता है यही है वो बड़ी बातें जो मैंने सीखी हैं. टीम पर्सन टू वर्क विद, केसी नाइस्टैट, डेफिनेटली ही इज़ amazing. I am speechless. He is a raw artist. He never went to film school. He never did any professional training. Just by experience, he has become what he has become. And I feel like that's me too, you know. He turned his passion, like he was just following his passion. That's what I'm doing right now too. And I don't have any training, no classes or whatever. And मतलब हम दोनों ऐसे तो बोल नहीं सकते कि मैं और वो सेम है, क्योंकि वो कहाँ पे मैं कहाँ पे. But I feel like he is a person that I would be so grateful and so thankful to work with, because he is basically like a god in video making. His style, his storytelling and just everything is so good. And if you want to know, you know, how his journey was और उनकी लाइफ कैसी थी, उनकी एक वीडियो है ड्राइंग माई लाइफ, तो वो एक अमेजिंग वीडियो है एंड डेफिनेटली वर्थ वॉचिंग. सो इसमें मैं अपने भाई की राय लेना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि मैं इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैवलिंग और उस सब में अभी के लिए तो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मेरे भैया हैं तो वो ही ज़्यादातर ऐसे रिसर्च करते हैं और उस सब के लिए कि कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ जाना, कोई कौन सी जगह अच्छी है जाने के लिए, कहाँ जाना है. तो मैं उनकी राय लेती, लेकिन अगर मेरे को खुद से बोलना होता एक कंट्री जहाँ मेरे को जाना है, मैं बोलती नॉर्वे, क्योंकि I love the sky. I love taking pictures of the sky. I love sunsets. I love sunrises. मैं paintings में भी ज़्यादातर sky ही paint करती हूँ. And Norway is called the land of the midnight sun. So I definitely want to experience that. You know, I want to go there and experience that. Also, Magnus Carlsen is from Norway. Favorite artist in India would be Ritviz. Oh my God, he just released a new album which is splendid. It is so good. Some songs actually brought me to tears and that album is great. और ऋत्विज का ऐसा है कि उसके बस गाने ही अच्छे नहीं है, उसकी म्यूज़िक वीडियोस भी इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है, उसकी स्टोरी टेलिंग जो होती है हर सॉन्ग और हर म्यूज़िक में वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. और ऐसा बहुत रेयर होता है कि म्यूज़िक वीडियोस भी अच्छी हो और म्यूज़िक भी अच्छी हो, तो ऋत्विज डेफिनेटली. और एक ऑल टाइम क्लासिक यो यो हनी सिंह, ऑब्वियसली. आई मीन कम ऑन, do I even have to say anything why I like that artist? Just amazing. And in a foreign artist who's a favorite of mine in female would be Doja Cat. Just her persona, her stage presence, her fashion sense, and how bold she is with everything she does. It's really amazing to see. It's really inspiring to see. She doesn't give, like, she doesn't care what people say about her. You know, she isn't scared of judgment. She shaved off her hair. She shaved off her hair and her eyebrows like live, just because she wanted to and she could. And her songs are amazing. So are her music videos. Just wow. Queen. And in male it would be The Weeknd. The way every album of his is a story is amazing. The way he uses auto tune, just not so bland, he uses so many different things. He uses 90s classical tones, he also uses synth waves, and he combines everything, and they're just masterpieces, just amazing concepts. Favorite color right now has to be grey. मैं अभी टीनेज हूँ तो मेरा कोई स्टाइल नहीं है जो पॉपुलर है मतलब हाँ अभी स्टाइल डेवलप हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन अगर डिफाइन करना ही था तो मम्मी के अनुसार एज अ क्रिएटर मैं यूट्यूब इंडस्ट्री में इतने टाइम रही नहीं हूँ, मैंने अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट किया है यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाना, तो मैं इतना ज़्यादा बोल नहीं सकती कि क्रिएटर्स के बीच में जो रिलेशनशिप्स है, जो एनवायरनमेंट है वो कैसा है, क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक वो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है. बट एज अ व्यूअर मैं यूट्यूब में बहुत सालों से हूँ, एंड आई थिंक दैट इट्स स्लोली लाइक it has stopped listening to its audience, and because of that they're kind of declining, I feel, especially that like dislike ratio thing, you know, they removed the account of that and everyone was protesting against it, but they still went ahead with that decision, and I feel like in the future they will like take such steps or decisions, hopefully not, but yeah. And you know, as a viewer it is very, I don't know how to explain it, because what I mean is YouTube is a platform where everyone can broadcast themselves, right? That's their tagline, broadcasting yourself. But along with, you know, sharing awareness or good opinions, there comes people who are sharing their bad opinions, which are just morally wrong, not even in my opinion wrong, they are just morally wrong. And people get influenced by those. There's not really a way to stop this. There's no really a way. So that's, I think, a bad thing, and I feel like YouTube should take stricter steps against such kind of videos or content which is being published. But I think that's my views. I can't really comment on the creator aspect of YouTube, as I said earlier. ज़्यादातर क्या होता है क्रिएटर्स के साथ, जब वो बड़े हो जाते हैं तो उनका जो फ़ैन बेस है वो भी तो ग्रो हो रहा है ना उनके साथ, वो इतना ज़्यादा लॉयल हो जाता है उनका फ़ैन बेस कि अगर वो क्रिएटर कुछ गलत कर दे या कोई और उस क्रिएटर को क्रिटिसिज्म दे, तो ना ही तो क्रिएटर ना ही तो उनका फ़ैन बेस हैंडल कर पाता है, तो इससे मतलब वो ग्रोथ रुक जाती है एक तरीके से, यू नो. और वो भी है कि अगर क्रिएटर ही कुछ गलत कर रहा है तो उनका फ़ैन बेस दे विल फॉलो अलॉन्ग विद द क्रिएटर, दे वोंट say anything against the creator anytime because they are just so loyal. So I think that is also a negative thing which happens in this environment of YouTube. लेकिन मैं ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहूँगी YouTube के बारे में, क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये मेरा मतलब करियर बन जाए, तो ज़्यादा बोल नहीं रही मैं. Are philosophy and mentality the same? Because if they are the same, then I would like to follow this Mamba mentality by Kobe Bryant, and it is so difficult to follow. I mean, I've read his book Mamba Mentality, and honestly reading it, you know, sometimes people say that saying easier said than done, but even while reading it, it was so difficult. I realized how difficult it must be to follow it through, but that is something that I want to have. I want to have that mentality, and I'm working on it. Otherwise, philosophy, if we talk about philosophy, then I'd say nothing matters, you know. Yeah, nothing matters, or like nothing matters eventually. Please don't do anything stupid under the influence of stress, and also value your family. So thank you so much for watching. If it wasn't clear, then this idea has been inspired from Vanity Fair, the Billie Eilish interview. And just as that video, just as those videos, even I would like to make this an annual thing, which I'm really looking forward to. And it's so cool that she is getting to do this on such a huge level. And you know, when I was watching her interviews, I realized that she could just look back on all of her growth and perspectives, and I feel like even I want that. Even I want to look back at these years and think how different I was, how my perspectives have changed, and how much I have grown. So this is also another reason why I'm doing this. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to see more.